Hey dudes, check this out. ecoflow. Send me this box. Power on there and see what happens. In the 99 percentile there, boys. But I got some stuff here. I mean, obviously you plug stuff into it and it'll charge. A lot of them have you know, like an adapter box thing, stupid adapter box thing that plugs in, but if you get the one where it's like just a regular plug, way more better. And then you just have a wire to go with it rather than a whole box and a thing that plugs in and a bunch of nonsense. But I want to see if this thing will weld. I want to weld with it and put this in the Grumman, drive around, weld and stuff. So that's what we're gonna do. And got a couple other things, saw and oh, that saw over there, that should be a good one too. We'll try to cut a piece of metal, maybe there'll be some metal we can cut. But see if it'll even turn on. It turns on. $43 watts. It's got a 43 watt fan in there, boys. Got her set to number 3 out of 4. 3/4 of the settings. Don't think it likes that. That's probably not a good idea. It did well though. Turn her down maybe. Oh yeah, you can. Oh, I didn't turn the gas on. You welded. Nice. Nice. Try to shine you while I'm welding with the situation goes. Still says it's 100%. Nice. Well, 99%. So that's how much welding you get for 1%. Well, not too bad. It's better than I was expecting, to be honest with you. Nice. Running a friggin' Millermatic 130 off a friggin' battery box. Come on. Maybe, well, I'll just shut this off and then you can, well, obviously it's working. This, when I pull the trigger, the lights flicker on the display, whatever, the numbers move and stuff. Yeah, that's pretty awesome. Obviously. You started me?
Sorry.
That's okay.
Bringing your feet on that back in.
I was just welding with the battery.
No.
Yeah. Look at 1%.
1% battery?
Yeah, it was 100%. No, it's 99%. That much welding.
Oh, wow.
Right?
That's it.
It's pretty good, I think. I don't know. I didn't expect it, you know.
To do anything really?
Well, I mean, I figured it would either shut itself off or, you know, something.
Too many amperage.
Yeah, but I had it, first time I tried it was all the way up to 3 and it kind of like pulsated a little bit, like it was.
Yeah.
It could have just been the settings on the welder, but I just turned it down and then it
DC, right?
AC and DC.
Is it AC and DC?
3C and LC.
Yeah, because AC is like a pulse, right? Where DC is supposed to be constant. So if you got it on DC and it's pulsing, that's not a good sign.
That's probably just too many gigajoules or megajoules or something.
Yeah. I like that one better than gigawatts.
Yeah.
Gigajoules.
Yeah. I don't know. It's got to be pure sine wave. What are they doing, right?
Yeah, it's got to say that somewhere.
Well, maybe it says it on the box. I got. If you look over.
AC input, AC output. So it is AC output. Oh, does that mean did you have to have a transformer then?
I don't know.
In line? If you
Charging options. Got the AC, the solar, the car, and the smart generator. Ooh. And then we got all them type of the connectors. Zero emissions. This and that. 97 hours of light.
Solar is DC input. Okay.
Yeah, it doesn't say anything about pure sine wave, but surely it is.
12 volt. 12 volt is DC. Yeah, 12 volts DC output. AC, so okay, so you see there's this little line beside this shit.
Yeah.
So you got AC input, right? And you see, so that little
Squiggle?
yeah, that means AC. But then you have solar DC input, and it's got a line, straight line, and then 3 dots underneath it. That's DC out, DC. So you got 12 volt output as DC there, AC, right? Squiggle. So your USBs are all DC. Your USB, yeah, all the USBs are all DC. I didn't know that until literally right there.
Till this second.
Till that second. But that
We
makes
got a
perfect
friggin'.
sense.
Oh, what's that? AC charge speed, fast or slow?
Whoa.
Nice. It's got a fast or slow charge speed button and a breaker.
So
Nice.
if
Solar charge ports.
nice. So if it clicks off, you're
Yeah.
done. Back on.
Yeah. So if you weld too much and just gotta blow up the whole unit.
Yeah. Or bust the fuse that you gotta take the whole thing apart and find the fuse.
Yeah.
Should probably show the camera what I did with my thumb there.
Oh, you mushed it?
You see that?
Smidge?
Hammered the power out of that one,
Dude, get it with that saw over. That's 500 watts.
Really?
It's 1900 to start it, huh?
Yeah. The initial RPMs, yeah. That's pretty heavy duty, actually. Damn.
Yeah. See what happens when you load the.
When you load it, yeah.
You put it under torque load. Pretty sharp blade though, so.
You got up to about 737.
Just went through there like at the bottom though, so.
You got up to about 737 though when you were going through it, so.
Right on. But still 99%. Running like actual shit. Let's see if a mag drill, how much fucking watts of mag drill pulls. It's gonna weigh a little bit. here. This guy. 50 pounds too. It says in the manual it's something.
It's actually not that heavy.
So we'll turn the magnet
It's a
on,
little heavy, but
see what happens. Oh fuck. Shit's on the other side, so that's stuck to the table now. 25 watts.
that's it.
Yeah, it'll run that for 34 hours.
Here, get a shot of that for sure.
Yeah. And let's see what happens when we turn the polarity on. You ready?
All right, let's go. Cuts the time down to like 3 hours, and you're at like 700 watts. Yeah.
That's not too bad.
Still run 3 hours off that, yeah.
If you're out in the bush and you need to fucking
Cut firewood,
yeah,
drill something in through.
mag drill some steel beams.
Yeah, who knows? Maybe your tent freaking decided to want to fly off, but you got some of the beams left, or
Yeah,
you got to drill a new hole through something.
you got all the power you need.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. That's not good.
That wasn't powered by the ecoflow.
Mm-hmm.
That was powered
self-generated.
straight
Nice.
by- That's a one plug special.
Mm-hmm. But it's got like expansion batteries too. You can plug into the back.
No.
Yeah. Look at the unit on that. Oh, yeah. Extra battery port 1, extra battery port 2. Nice.
The cooling fans, of course. Gotta have cooling fans. And,
Ventilations.
Yeah. Oh, it looks like a
100 watt USB-Cs.
100 watt.
Still 99%. Nice. Well then, there you go. Hope you're happy. Classy fellas down ecoflow, I guess. What is this one? ecoflow Delta 2 Max. Just for in the be noticed. Still 99%. Don't even have to charge it. All that. Come on. Come on.
Nice.
Right? And I got the solar powered unit on the roof, and the wire that goes into there says we can, oh yeah, I forgot to show you the wires. Check this out. I got the wire that goes to my truck for this thing right here. So that'll plug into that. That'll plug into the solar panel on the roof, just like hither.
Easy.
Yeah, just like hither. And then there's this one too, if you wanted to just use your sag lighter. Get that one, and then this is the best part. See those things over there?
Yeah.
Or all those? They got like this box and this
Yeah, they
bullshit
got
and stuff.
transformers on 'em,
This
yeah.
is what charges it. You just plug that in there. It's like a pewter wire, but you got to make sure it's the thick one because I had an incident one time where I used the wrong size wire. Not with this unit; it was a different unit, but built my office. Had a hot cord on my desk, melted my desk.
Down, you know, for insurance money.
Yeah, it just burnt my desk a little bit.
No.
Yeah.
Not trying to burn it down for insurance
But
money.
yeah, boys, here you go. Links in the prescription. Oh, and there's a special on right now with the link. You get, holy cow! But I just gotta access my email here quick. Yeah, this bastard's up to on sale, 16th and 17th. Deal of the day, offers on Amazon's. Deal of the day offers on Amazon's, boys. Got the link of the prescriptions. America and Canada, you can save up to $2,398 during ecoflow Prime Days promo. Just saying. So,
Oh yeah, from July 16th to 17th.
yeah, what's today?
Well, I believe today might be the 16th actually.
14th.
Is it?
Yeah,
Okay.
so you got a couple days before you're gonna be noticed, but yeah, it's a pretty good deal, boys. Classy fellas, ecoflow. Yeah.